In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable the Steam Family View pin. If you no longer need Family View enabled on your Steam account or simply want unrestricted access to all of your games and account features, the process is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can safely turn off Family View and remove the pin requirement from your account. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your account name and password. Take a moment to make sure your login information is correct before continuing. Once everything is entered properly, click Sign In to access your Steam account and arrive at the main Steam homepage. After you've logged in, look toward the upper left corner of the Steam window and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and application settings. From this menu, select Settings to open Steam's configuration panel. Inside the Settings window, locate the Family section in the navigation menu. This area contains all of the options related to Family View and parental controls. Click on Family to open the available settings. If Family View is currently enabled, you'll see options for managing or disabling it. Select the option to manage or disable Family View. At this point, Steam will ask you to enter your existing Family View PIN. Carefully enter the PIN you created when Family View was originally set up. Since this PIN is used to protect your account settings, make sure it is entered correctly. Once you've entered the correct PIN, Steam will display the available Family View settings. Choose the option to disable Family View and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. Steam may ask you to review the changes before applying them, so simply continue through the confirmation process until it is complete. After the changes have been saved, Family View will be turned off. This means you'll have unrestricted access to your Steam library, store, community features, account settings, and any other areas that were previously limited while Family View was active. To make sure everything worked correctly, return to the main Steam window and navigate through your account. You should now be able to access all features without being prompted for the Family View PIN. And that's all there is to it. Disabling the Steam Family View PIN only takes a few minutes and can easily be reversed in the future if you ever decide to enable Family View again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you successfully manage your Steam account settings. Happy gaming!